Okay, so today is tree cutting day. So the hubby and I are taking the kids, our grown kids, to brunch, and then we're going to cut a tree. So this is what I'm wearing because it's cold outside. Look, 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 look. I just threw on a jogging suit, right? So we're gonna throw this on. Then I have these Burberry, they're like rain boots, but the snow is all over, so you know, it's wet. So this is the vibe. Once we get there, I'm gonna tuck in the back part. I hate when my pants are wet at the bottom. This coat that I got from H&M a couple years ago. And I love it because it did not have a collar. Sometimes when you got your hat on, you got a scarf on, and then you got a collar on your coat, that's too much. I do love that I can cinch it like that. So then I have this Louis scarf. Love her, right? So I've had her for a couple years. But I wanted to do that, I'm gonna make it into like a head scarf, but like the hat, you know what I mean? It's I'm gonna botch it. Balkava. Okay, so I've seen they go like this. Then you tuck it. And don't mind me, my house is live. Right now it's a little quiet, but everybody's outside. So if you hear stuff, you know what it is. See how cute? And of course, yes. Oh, and of course, you know, and that's how we roll. I'm gonna go get some gloves. Yeah.
You want to wear my gloves?
No, I like my mittens. Mittens?
Look, I got.
Where did I get these from?
Where my motherfucking gloves at? I just had them.
Didn't I just tell you I was making a video?
I apologize.
Ooh.
I'm trying to find my gloves.
Caca, mom. H&M. Puppies, mittens. That's my princess. I made that. Okay. That's my favorite term for my kids. I made that. Baby, I need my watch.
Ooh.
Oh, Lord. Who's having mimosas at brunch?
Me? I'm driving.
My babies. My big girls, because they grown as hell.
That's right. Yeah, Dad's in my car now.
I got my North Face at the dorm.
Oh, wow.
Well, guess what? Mommy's making a video.
Who cares? Got him.
Got him.
Don't do stupid
You
shit.
know what it is.
You didn't know how to piss somebody off at 11 a.m.
It's actually not it.
Why we all look at the time like, it's just noon. Yes, we're going to Brunchberry first. What? Why you got the face? I'm not going to Honey Butter. They got pancakes there too.
They got pancakes there.
Okay, she wants me to put clothes on the boo-boo. Literally for Carico the boo-boo. I'm sick, guys. I got that. Fuck
Get in
that.
there so I can post it. Here.
I'll hold her in the background.
Oh, I didn't wear my retainer last night, and my tooth definitely shifted. Okay. But yeah, I'm sniffling and sneezing and sniffling blah because I got that random freaking throat sickness that everybody else is getting.
Really? Everybody else is not me. Get that away.
Dude, I was on TikTok today And several motherfuckers were like, oh, I got that coat that everybody else got. Why is this? I can't have kids, y'all, because why is it so hard to put clothes on a little boo-boo? There we go. This little boo-boo is not on those anything. Toffee is so cute.
She big bonded it.
She's cutie. Da-da. Okay, let me grab my purse. My purse.
Oh my God! You know what I could put on my purse?
What?
My
your new skull pandas.
my Christmas tree skull panda.
I have a Christmas one too that you got me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the blue one. Okay, let's see. So.
Her little antlers are cute.
Mm-hmm. Where did I get this from? TikTok shop.
This video is sponsored by Red Bull.
I turned it off already. You turned it back on?
Yep.
That's fine. And we out here. Christmas. Da-da. Christmas time. It's Christmas time. Eat creamy. Wow.